Good morning, my name is Charles Elliott, the owner and founder of Lakeport Medical Supplies, along with my wife Jackie. We are almost a nationwide distributor of durable medical equipment and supplies and soft goods. This is our current headquarters and plan on being here for quite a while. Well, the building being 90 years old and having gone through many additions and many roofs over the past years, we finally had issues that we had no choice but to do a complete tear off and redesign of the roof. So the reason we chose A&Z Roofing wasn't just because of Angelo's words, it was because of their history, the products they put out in the past, and the recommendations from a very dear friend of ours who has worked with him over the years as well and has complete faith in him. Angelo came up with an amazing design, changed the entire drainage system, actually raised the roof 3 courses of block, which I never thought anybody could do something like this, but they took our building from a building that had external drains to all internal, and now they go all underground into the sewers. There's no freezing in the winter. We don't have any backups into the warehouse anymore. The roof performed amazingly. I mean, it was unbelievable. So part of the appeal of using Angelo's roofing company and why we chose Angelo was the timeline it had to be specific because we were under the gun with the tax law changing in 2019 where we would not be able to take the tax benefit for reinvesting in our building. So Angelo guaranteed us that the roof would be done before 2019. He hit it ahead of schedule, just before the big storm hit. The other thing is Angelo's warranties. I think out of all the warranties we looked at, he had the best warranty in the industry. It obviously is a top-down company. Everybody is just like Angelo. They're all wonderful people, answer your questions. No is not an answer. They were just fabulous. The bottom line is we loved working with A&Z Roofing.